Clickbait.
We're going around this way.
Yep, this is our school right here. I'm not showing. Yeah.
You know, Florida actually went through some major thunderstorms with some tornadoes.
Yeah? I did not.
And we're better for rain. No part of that, so we're supposed to basically get a program all weekend.
Actually, yes.
Oh, no. You now! Stop!
Stop!
Upload this cloud.
Dear Cloud.
He's uploading to YouTube where millions of people can see.
Actually, trillions.
Millions. There is
Billion.
7.
Not really trillions. Is that the get the camera out of my face, kid? Oh
Clicky,
no.
clicky, nobody gives a crap.
Yo,
I feel I'm
Puddle.
short on and snowed on.
Yo.
Yes.
So I get to see the weather.
Yeah, I know we're supposed to get it all weekend.
What? No, what do I do?
Oh.
No.
Run.
Don't worry.
Run!
The Galaxy None Crew 5 active.
Did you see that stupid video that I uploaded yesterday?
You?
Of me.
Uma syndrome.
Okay, fingers. Yeah.
Hit ding dong ditch. Knock, knock, knock. I just ding dong ditch. Bro.
We literally should have just went out there.
We could have went around that building.
I gotta get home.
You did?
I have math homework to do.
Yeah, me too.
Plus, I have to come in.
Also, if you didn't see the me
The thing
pushing
that-
buttons for 10 minutes video, I'll leave it in the description below.
What? You've uploaded that?
Yeah.
What did you do?
It's basically a video. It's basically a video where I push buttons for 10 minutes. I made it.
Is it uploaded?
Yep. I'll put a link in the description for
I have
that.
to watch it though.
It won't
Can it be me pressing button?
it won't be in the description right away, but
Look, that's me pressing buttons.
okay.
Stop it! It's gonna turn red. How much recording time you have in your phone? It's gonna turn red.
That guy flipped us off.
Okay, it's gonna turn red. Stop. Take a minute.
Does this button even have any use?
Yeah, I quickens the time of that thing. Look, new stoplight lesson. Episode 1. That button actually controls that. So quicker enough when there's hardly any cars. Do not press it again. Stop! When there's less cars. That will turn red.
Okay.
See, I told you so. Yo, it's yellow. Oh,
Okay.
it's a red light.
Okay, bye. As you can see, I